y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So a couple weeks ago, I had a fail. I don't know, time doesn't mean anything. Either way, I had a fail. I was trying to make some apple fritters. I'm still devastated about that because there's no reason for it to have failed. Whatever. So I still had this sweet oil, and like, what am I gonna do with sweet oil? Like, you can't use it for nothing else, right? So reduce, reuse, recycle. I was like, what can I do with this oil? I'm like, beignets. Like, I haven't had beignets. I went to New Orleans in like 2018, and I went to a vegan restaurant, and they were okay. But like, the way I made these beignets, please be serious. And like this morning, I had a couple with some coffee. I'm living. Do you hear me? And you can too. If you want to see how I made vegan beignets, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, a link to the two recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so like for real, the baking era continues. Like, you know, in my baking era, I feel like it's a permanent era, but I'm annoying. Like, I call everything my era. Like, I'm a professional musician. Like, if you didn't know, that's like my day job. And I'll be like, oh, I'm in my viola era. How am I in an era? That's literally my job. But it's here to stay is what I'm saying, okay? So I'm gonna proof some yeast, you know, regular things. I think a lot of beignet recipes call for water, but I was like, I want like a je ne sais quoi type of feel to it. But honestly, it's almond milk, so isn't it water anyway? I don't know. Okay, let that proof. 2 tablespoons, nope. 2 teaspoons of yeast, tablespoon of sugar. Put it in my microwave to proof because like it's warm in here. You don't turn it on. Don't turn it on. I just put it in there because it's warm, okay? And I'm mixing together 2 cups of flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar. If you want it sweeter, you can, but I knew I was gonna cover them in powdered sugar, so I didn't want to do too much. Because if it's too sweet, then I get a headache and then like nobody's having a good time. Okay, and that's it. No baking powder necessary because we got yeast. You see how it got? Man, I love science. Black women in STEM, period. Okay, and add a little bit of butter. There are vegan butter. I've been loving the one from Trader Joe's. It's cheap. It's like $3 by me. I personally think food is high in Memphis. That's my personal opinion, but either way, yeah, and that's it. Some recipes call for an egg, and honestly, like, I was a little nervous because I forgot to put a vegan egg in because, you know, I've been liking that Red Mills, Bob Evans, whatever. They have a vegan egg powder, and I forgot to put that in, but I was like, it should be fine because me fry dumpling, I had a bakes video like from Trinidad. It works. So no vegan egg necessary. Like, I really just don't think you need it. Okay, so I mix it all together. I'm kneading for 10 minutes. Have some flour on standby because you see how I have to, like, if it's too sticky, like, you want to make sure that you can still knead it. Now, if you have a stand mixer, fine, use that. Okay, I don't. But, you know, it's a perfect time to like clear your thoughts, you know what I'm saying? Like, what you finna do today, go through your to-do list. A lot of times, obviously you can't hear it. I'm listening to like an audio book or like a podcast. Like, you know, like, enjoy your time, okay? So when you're done kneading it, it should be sticky. It's gonna be stickier than normal. It should be sticky, but not sticking to your hands. If you pull it back and that stuff gets slime, add a little bit more flour, okay? I'm gonna put it in an oil bowl. I'm gonna cover it up. Don't ask why I use so much plastic wrap. Mind your business. Here it is after an hour. And time to roll out on a flour surface. This is the best part. It's giving baking era, please. I also proofed this in the microwave. You can do the oven. You just want somewhere where like it's not gonna be interrupted. Like, does your house run cold? It ain't gonna rise. Does your house run hot? You my type of girl. But that's fine then. But like, I just like to put it in somewhere where it's going to be controlled. So I'm putting on my little thing, and I'm gonna roll it out pretty thin. Let me see if I use my little, like a 1/4 inch. This is an inch, so like a 1/4 of that. Yeah, like you're gonna roll out to like a 1/4 inch because, well, you don't want no big old something, but you want, you know, have you ever, like, if you are vegan now, have you been to Louisiana? What's it called? What's the city called? New Orleans. But by the time I went to New Orleans, I was already vegan, so like I never had the Cafe du Monde experience. But like, I don't know, we might kabox because these came out too good. Like, I'm so sorry. We might look at the material. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna cover with a towel. I'm gonna let it proof for like 20 more minutes. If you want to go fry them right ahead, listen, you ain't hear from me. Okay. Here go the oil. There's stuff in the bottom. Mind your business. Okay. Those are burnt hopes and dreams. Okay. and I fried this happened so quickly, and I had it on medium heat. So be aware, be vigilant. You know what I mean? It happened so fast, and I was like, oh my God, did they burn on the outside? And did it cook on the inside? Nope. That's why they nice and thin. Look at beautiful, right? Like, get it? I was like, no, not me in my Tiana era. Like, ooh, it's just giving. Like, and I had my little, wow, look at that. Are you crazy? No, get into it. It came out so good. I was a little worried. Like, this made, I don't know, like 10 to 12 beignets. I'm like, what am I going to do with 10 to 12 beignets? Until I had it with my coffee this morning. No, I see the vision. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos because you know some I have enough videos. If you made it this far in the video, let me know what you want to cook next. I've been taking note. Don't worry. Like, I saw somebody ask for a loaded baked potato soup. I'm doing a soup series when it gets a little cooler outside. I mean, I live in Memphis, so how cool it's gonna get. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.